Hey, are you awake?
Yeah, what's up?
I keep hearing weird noises from downstairs,
What kind of noises?
like footsteps, but not normal walking. More like someone's dragging something heavy.
Did you check if all the doors are locked?
Yeah, everything's locked. My parents are out of town, and I'm home alone.
Want me to come over?
No, it's 2 a.m. and you live across town.
Call the police then.
I just heard it again. It's coming from the kitchen now.
Seriously, call the cops. This isn't normal.
Wait, the sound stopped.
That's good, right?
No, because now I hear breathing outside my bedroom door.
Get out of there.
I can't. The window is stuck.
I'm calling the police right now.
The doorknob is turning.
They're on their way. Just hold on.
It's not opening. The door is locked, but something's scratching at the bottom.
5 minutes away, they said.
The scratching stopped.
Good.
No. Now there's whispering. It's saying my name.
Don't answer it.
It knows I'm in here. It just said, I've been waiting for you to be alone.
What the hell? How would anyone know your parents were gone?
I didn't tell anyone.
The police should be there any second.
The whispering stopped.
That's good.
No. Now there's a different sound. It's the sound of a key turning in the lock.
What? How?
The door is opening. It's my dad.
Thank God.
No. He's holding a knife and smiling. He just said, I told you I'd get my turn.